Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the control center with the PS button. This instantly exposes power controls you need. Once the menu appears, move to the far right and highlight the power icon so you can access options quickly. Make sure your controller is charged or plugged in, because changes require a responsive input. If the console is in rest mode, wake it first. Doing this avoids accidental interruptions. So pause and confirm the menu is visible before you proceed to the next step. Once you open power options, choose the specific action you want. Enter rest mode, turn off Ps5, or restart. Select rest mode when you want background downloads and USB charging. Pick turn off Ps5 for a full shutdown that clears volatile memory. To fine-tune what rest mode does, go to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Power Saving, and choose features like Supply Power to USB or Enable Background Updates. This explains why one choice suits downloads, while another conserves power and prevents wake-ups. After selecting a power state, confirm and watch the system respond, blue blinking for rest mode or the screen going black for shutdown. If nothing happens, make sure the power cable is firmly connected and try a controller reconnect. Also check for pending firmware updates that can block power transitions. If the PS5 remains unresponsive, boot into safe mode and choose Restart or Rebuild Database. This resolves many power-related issues without erasing user data, so use it only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.